Hi, I'm Winter, and I'm gonna open my supply toys. Let's start with this one.
Which one is that one? The Hello Kitty surprise toys.
I'm gonna get Red Riding Hood. What a zombie. I hope I get the zombie.
I hope you get the zombie too.
Let's find out.
And we found all these surprise toys at Five Below, didn't we?
Yes, we did. I got the mummy.
Let's see.
Here. I hope I get I got Red Riding Hood. And I'm gonna get
You got the ninja.
Yeah, that's her name.
She's adorable.
She's cute.
She sure is. Who do you think you're going to get for this one?
The zombie.
I hope you get the zombie too.
What? Look at that door. I got Red Riding Hood.
You got the dinosaur.
Yeah. Open this one.
She is adorable.
And what's
Now what is that?
This is the Barbie thing. I think we need some water for this.
Is it a color reveal?
Yes.
Let's go get some
Water!
Woohoo!
Go get some water.
Okay.
I don't know how, but you can help me.
I would love to help you. Let's see. It's a color reveal.
And action. First. Yep. Okay.
I think we need some...
Scissors.
Yes, let's get some scissors.
Yes. This is a what?
Ooh, are you gonna put her in? Drop her in there. Just fill her up with some water. And then, yep,
Ew.
poke her down a little.
Think.
What is it? A baby. She's a cute baby.
She's cute.
What does the baby come with?
A hat for the beach.
Ooh, she's a beach baby.
Beach baby, beach baby. A binky.
Oh, babies need binkies.
Baby need binky.
Let's see that baby. She looks ready for the beach. What else could she need for the beach?
A blankie.
Oh,
All tucked in.
a towel. That's perfect.
And I'm gonna do this one. That's my favorite show.
Your favorite show is SpongeBob?
Yay. We need some
Scissors!
mm-mm,
We need some
paper.
paper. What do we need paper for?
For how long it takes.
We got SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob Surprise. What do you think is in here?
SpongeBob.
Oh, you hope SpongeBob's in here?
I don't want another plankton.
You don't want another plankton? You want a SpongeBob this time?
Yes.
All right, let's hope for it.
Okay.
Oh, there's a lot of stuff in there.
It's SpongeBob.
You got who you wanted. Let's check him out. Oh, he looks like you have to put them together.
Yes.
Let's see. It comes with his body, his eyes, and what else? His feet and his legs.
Hey, Patty.
A Krabby Patty?
Yeah. And a Patrick yo-yo.
Let's see the yo-yo. Patrick Star?
Yeah.
And it's purple. It matches your shirt.
Yeah.
So the Krabby Patty's an eraser.
The Grumpy Patty is a eraser.
Yup.
That means you erase things
That's
when
right.
you're coloring. So cool.
That's a lot of pieces of the SpongeBob we gotta put together.
We need to put him together.
You wanna try it out?
It's coming. It's coming. Does it go to this whole?
You need some help?
Let's see who it is.
Looks like you got some of them going good.
Where does this go?
Is it his hand?
Yeah.
It goes on the side.
This one?
Yeah. All right, we got a little help from Mama to put SpongeBob together.
It's SpongeBob.
Is that your favorite movie?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know how the song goes?
I know I don't know the whole thing.
What do you know about the song? How does it start?
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Out goes Y-O-U. This one's out.
That one's out.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Out goes Y-O-U. Blue quiz is out.
See you later, Blue Clues.
Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Out goes Y-O-U. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Out goes Y-O-U. This one's out.
Okay.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Out goes Y-O-U. This one's out.
See you later, Kinetic Sand.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Out goes Y-O-U. This one's out.
Bye, crybabies.
Now we have 3 more. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Out goes Y-O-U. This one's out.
Who's it down to?
Now we have 2 more. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Out goes Y-O-U.
Ooh, so we're going to do Stitch next. So what is it? It is a Stitch Collect Them All Series 1 collectible minifigure.
Wow. I'm gonna open. Oops. Can I have the scissors back?
Let's see. I can help you open them. Here's one. Oh, did you get it? Good job. Who did we get? Stitch. Oh, he looks so cool.
And Squump.
Ooh, and his best friend. Let's put them next to each other.
Squump.
Hi, I'm Stitch.
Hi, I'm Squump.
Will you be my friend?
Sure.
I love making new friends. We can play with all these fun toys that we're getting over here. You want to play with them with me? I like to share. Let's go. Snack packs.
I'm really
Will they pop or will they drop? Ooh, I wonder what's in that. Those look cool. We've never opened one of these before.
No, don't open these before.
What is the inside? Oh, someone's got some glasses. It looks like a little pizza shop. Wow.
Wow. Are they squishy pop? Wawa.
What's her name?
Wawa.
Oh, and she has some glasses.
Pinch. Pinch. Pinch.
Does she like going to get pizza in her pizza shop?
Yeah. Let's send it out to Grappy, Grammy, Uncle Johnny, Auntie Tina.
Put her in her pizza shop.
Pizza!
Pizza!
Big question. I'm gonna open this.
Ooh, she's fun.
Ooh.
Ooh, so you press the sides and she pops out.
Yeah. Are they squishy, squishy, pop, pop?
She's a little squishy.
I got mini brands this series 2.
Series 2 and series 3. I'm gonna open series 2. What is it? What? Oh my goodness.
And we got a checklist.
You got training underwear.
We got training.
You know what? That's good for this baby to hold on to. Oh, you got a checklist?
Yeah, with all the food. This one next. Whoa!
All right, what did you get for series 3? You've got some sweethearts. Those are good for Valentine's Day. And
What?
icy squeeze.
Icy squeeze.
Yum.
Oh.
And a checklist. That's a big checklist.
We got magenta.
You got magenta? No way.
Oops, it's open. Blue's best friend.
It is Blue's best friend. So let's see. Here's the checklist. You could next. Fairy unicorns with magic wings.
Fairy.
Let's crack her open.
Let's crack her open. Let's see what it is and crack it open.
Wow.
Whoa. That is cool.
That's crazy.
Lots of food. Wow, that's so special. Wow! Some fairy tales.
What do we got? Some
We open
stickers,
one.
a brush, some wings.
Huh? What is this?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Yep, let's open the next one.
No, we need to open this.
I think it's to make wings. Let's get some molding clay.
A unicorn. And this, but it's Baldy. His name is Baldy.
That one's name is Breeze.
Breeze.
Yep, she's right here on the checklist.
Wow. Let's get.
Oh Oh, and she came with shoes.
Can I have something?
Let's take a look at her. Oh, we gotta put her together.
Let's do her some makeup.
She needs some hair.
I found a hair.
All right, let's put her hair on her. You're gonna put her unicorn through her horn through her hair and her ears. And if you need help, I'm here to help. There she is. Let's check her out. Her name is Breeze. And she's a fairy unicorn.
Fairy unicorn.
Do you think she's cute? Do you like her?
Yeah. That's brush. 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 Brush.
She's kind of cute.
Cute.
Crybabies.
Crybaby.
Little mini crybabies. Winter, you know what we can do with these crybabies?
What?
We can stick them on your backpack. Who do you have? Who'd you get?
And we can take off their clothes.
You can?
Yeah.
Wow. That's pretty special.
Nothing to open. We have one more thing to open.
And what is it?
Kenetic thing.
What color do you think you're gonna get?
I don't know. Oh, green Kenetic sand.
Oh, we needed some more green kinetic sand, didn't we? Now look at all these toys, and you still have a chocolate to eat. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Winter, are these your favorite? These and Kinder Joy eggs, your favorite snacks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching my video. Bye.